Encoding overloaded. I don't give a flying hockey puck. Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're doing Guise of the Wolf Part 2. So in the last episode, if you can't remember, I basically did literally nothing. And we're probably going to do a lot more of literally nothing. So let's get into it. Right, so it should have saved because the journal did its thing. So now we've got to go down here and out catacombs. Okay.
With the burden of my newly acquired curse, my ambitions were changed. I no longer wished to create a potion which could kill the beast. I desired to create a cure.
A cure?
Until I could devise a proper antidote, I had to avoid the moonlight.
I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh my god. Run. I didn't know. Move. Move. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, there's a thing here. Click it. We've closed it out. That's cool. Right, run. Run, idiot. I got a thing. Survive the werewolf attack. What does that open? I need to open that? Are you kidding me? There's a trap there. I don't like this. I don't like it. What do I do? Oh wait. Oh, it shut that. Well, lovely. That's really not what I need right now. You kidding me? The hell do I do? Run. No. There we go. Oh, you joking. Okay, so that one moves on its own. Those two move on their own. That one moves on its own. Wait, this is easy. Really? 30 gold. We open it. And then 3, 2, 1, jump. What's that? Oh! Nothing in the barrel. Lovely, lovely. Oh, the way out. Lovely. Entering kitchen area. Okay, loving it. Wait, this is moonlight. Oh no. Oh wait, what? I'm okay. Oh god, my game's not doing very well. Stone beacon, blah 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 blah. In the kitchen. Okay, lovely. Who are you? Hi. Wait, I kind of remember something about this, but I don't like this. I don't like it. There's still something else. Okay, so I've got to go back and do stuff.
I will help you gather your ingredients.
Good. Help me, Filch. Filch's list. Okay. Journal time. Filch's list. Holly, grey mould, animal fur, and celery. I don't have the fur. I forgot the fur. Holly. Wait, I have it. I've got it all now. Holly, grey mould, animal fur, and celery. So I just need the fur. To get wherever I... Wooden barricade. Use our axe on that. Or not. Wait, is it going to be in here? This will be gold, I'm sure it will. Right, so those two move. That one moves on its own. Okay. There we go. Please be fair. Of course it's gold. Right, what do I do? No, I'm not okay. Wait, no. How that? I can't get out. I can't leave. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I've just picked up bark. Okay, we gotta go fast here. We gotta go fast outside that door. Right, go. Picking up. What am I picking up? I can't go back to the thing. How on earth do I get fur? I know that there was fur down there the other time. Is there fur over here? No. Where do I get the fur? Wait, I can walk out on this? Am I okay now? I need animal fur, but I don't have it. Oh wait, yes I do. I'm so stupid. The potion's ready. Oh my god. Right. Vial. Potion. Devil's tail. Is that correct?
Test results by standing in the moonlight.
What does it do? I have devised the potion and drank it. I must test its effect by standing in the moonlight. Okay. You got it, dude. Wait, is it over here? I thought I said it was... Learn how to use the werewolf form. Okay. Don't worry about me. I'm fine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm losing. I'm out of moon. So can I turn back? Oh god. Okay. That works pretty well. I managed to slice the thing down.
You'll be warm with all that fur. I promise to aid you in finding a cure. Filch Hoodwink always keeps his word.
Lovely. You okay, lady? Lady?
Sorry about the barricade, my lord.
Are you okay?
The folk are in hiding. Others have gone missing. Heaven help us.
Okay, whatever. I can go back to the courtyard, that's awesome. There we go.
Potion did not successfully lift the curse, but did, however, manage to suppress it. I could now control it more, allowing me to see and choose my path. I could use the moonlight to my advantage in certain situations. The curse was no longer lasting, but could still mean my doom. I had to research the complexities of the cure.
I'll find one. I've got it. I've got this. I'll find it, I will. Wait, do I have enough gold to be able to leave yet? I have 130. Wait, hold on. La-di-da. There's nothing on him. La-di-da. Wait, I know what to do. I can do some stuff. Turn me up, boy. I have a plan. Let's go. But let's do it quickly, because I'm going to turn back soon. Don't attack me. No, I can't get in here. Wait. Is that dude going to attack me? He killed me. Oh wait, no I didn't. Was I supposed to do that? Doesn't matter, I'm gonna go kill them all. Oh my god, kill him, kill him, kill him. He's dead. Kill. Ow. Ow. Kill. Die. I can leave the castle now. I don't need to pay your stupid 200 gold. Turn me back. Drink the holy potion. Turn back already. There we go. So do those guys just sort of die now? Or are they just sort of dead forever? I'll go in here, because I know there's something I can do in here. Is there a moonlight port? Yes, there's a moonlight thingy in here. Right, I'm slashing that up. We're gonna kill it. Oh yeah, idiot. Right, come on. Yes. Let's go. Let's go up to the library. Oh look, an angel. It's cool. There's another moon thing. There's another moon thing. Okay. No, it's like, if I attack something, the moon comes back. That's a bit weird. Oh my god. Oh good lord. There's another moon thing. I've got one. Can I not open that thing? If I came down from here, would I die? Oh no. Uh-oh. I'm not dead. I'm okay. Right, there's something there. Oh, it's just a book. A load of rubbish. Oh, wait. Do I have to turn back into the werewolf to be able to cross here? Oh no, I'm okay. There we go. Right, lock time. Oh, I've got it. Gold? Yes, gold. Gold. Right, that, I don't know where that goes. And it should matter, because I need to go in there. Out of memory? Seriously? Out of memory? No, what happened? Out of memory? Out of memory? I have 16 gigabytes of RAM in this computer. How could I be out? Out? How much RAM does this game need? It's made in 2014. Sorry, but that's ridiculous. I'm sorry. But that is crazy, actually. Out of memory. I can't believe it. Out of memory. You did not run out. 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 No more? Shouldn't be out. It's from 2014. People only had like, what, 4 gigabytes of RAM in these days? Didn't even need 8. Right, come on. No, it comes out of memory again. In the video memory and RAM space available to the exe file for the game, here's how to fix it in-game without any annoying downloads or file edits. I would rather do a download or file edit. The solution, everybody says patch it or mod it with a 4 GB unofficial patch download. That doesn't work with the Steam version. What is this for? What game is this for? Ryzen? Prove the game based on your feedback. We want to upload this fix ASAP. The update will fix the following. Performance for that. Out of memory crash. Okay. We shall update the game frequently as promised. I'm still getting the out of memory error though. This is from 2015. This is 10 years old. It's not gonna work. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. It shouldn't be running out of memory. Do I need to find an old computer to run this on? Because it's not gonna work. I have a couple old computers. It might work. Right, I'm just going to let you guys see what I'm seeing here. So if you guys play this game and you're having a few problems, you guys can have a little look at what I'm doing, because I might be doing it correctly. I might also not be, so maybe don't follow what I'm doing. Operating system unsupported? No. This is for a totally different game. "32 gigs of RAM, that's fine." Is there a video on how to fix this? No? Is this it? I don't know. This is Windows 11.
Hello.
Fix stray error out of menu. But I'm not running stray, I'm running a different game. Right, you know what, I'm going to try it. let's just do it. DirectX 11. I'm gonna try DirectX 11. There we go. Right. Is that correct? I don't know. Oh wait, high resolution. Oh my god, where was this? Where was the high resolution option? Because this might fix my error. This better work. If it doesn't work, I'll be not very happy. I paid £1.29 for this game, which honestly that's fine. It barely a dent, but I still paid for this game. They should at least make sure the game actually works. It looks no different to the one that I've already been playing. Right. Options. Turn that down. Load. Work. If this doesn't work, I'm going to find a way to transfer the game over to... I have another computer. I have like 2 other computers that I could try this on. That might actually work. Let's find out if my computer needs more RAM. Which honestly, my computer would be like the best computer ever in 2014. Are you kidding me? And if that doesn't work, I might turn off like Audacity or something and see if this works. Which it shouldn't. I'm a genius. I had to turn it to high resolution mode. Where the hell was that when I needed it? Do you know what it might be? It might be the fact that I didn't unlock the case. Oh, that one goes on its own, that's fine. Right, unlock it. Okay, gold. Right. If I go back through here, will I get a memory error? If I don't, then I'm good. Oh, I love that soundtrack. Me in editing, you're gonna play that at full volume. Right, where do I go? Do I go down there? I don't want to go down there. Not really, at least. Hey, there's apples down here. Oh, it's nuts. Gold. Yes. 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 Do I dare go in there and risk my memory? Oh, I could jump across there as a wolf. Hold on. Dum ba-da ba-da bam ba-dum da-na-na-na-na. Zum ba-dum ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. Excuse me, master. Boom. Oh god, there's another one. Oh my god, there's another one. Oh! Where am I going? Where am I off to? Oh, come on. I opened that up, whatever that is. I know what to do. Oh, good lord. Thorns? What in the hell is this? Now that I have control of the wolf, I can transform whenever I stand in the moonlight. I should use my curse wisely and continue my search for a cure. Filch and I will meet in front of the library. Now, where is that? Oh wait, I know where to go. He said upstairs somewhere. Is it like here? Oh, so that's locked and I need a key for that now. Oh, well, there he is!
Oh, the door must be locked from the inside. I wonder if there's another way in.
There better be. Oh my god, my journal updated, thank god. I'm just going to leave this episode here because I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know if this is still recording. But yeah, I really hope that literally just recorded what I just did. So yeah. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hardware reset failure, I don't care. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then like, subscribe and whatever, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So goodbye guys, goodbye.